Hello and welcome to a video. I've changed locations. I'm not in the shed. There's that blinding light from the door. I wonder if that's slightly better. Yeah, hello everyone. Hope you're well. We've got a nice big box. I ordered this from the Northerner when we had free shipping and 20% off. So, I mean, what's inside, it really didn't cost much. And the trick, as always, keep your orders small. This order was €12.24. You can see that on there. Yeah? Yeah. The declaration says chew, which indeed it is, chew. And, but yeah, it's come from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania in the US. So, what have we got inside? Shipping note. 16 ounces of Stokers Butternut chewing tobacco. Now, I've been wanting to have this for a long time. Why has it been one of the last ones I've reviewed? I've got no idea. But there's Bobby Stoker, and I like the bag design. There he is. Friendly face of Bobby. And on the back, it's a nice little write-up about how his family have dedicated 60 odd years to the tobacco business. Actually, his father before him and his father before him. So, I mean, they've been in the business a long time. Their family motto has been provide a great chew at a fair price. I'll tell you what, for 16 ounces of chewing tobacco, it's a hefty old bag. Look at that. That's if you could feel that, you know, you're thinking to yourself, that'll take me a month easily to get through. If you like it, that is. I really like the bag design. I like the fact that Bobby Stoker is on the side of it. So, oh, I can smell it already. Oh. Wow, it's sweet molasses. It's like pine nuts almost. Sweet sugar. It's still tobacco. You can really smell the tobacco coming through. Oh, those leaves are still, they're absolutely smothered. They're sticky, they're sweet. Just going to show you the leaves. They're so dark. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? So here we go. Some butternut chewing tobacco. So. Greedy. Let's leave it to soak. Wow. Yeah. That's a really good flavour. It's sweet. You get the tobacco coming through straight away. It reminds me of, it's quite creamy. It's creamy as in consistency, in the in how juicy it is. It's not overly. Is it overly sweet? It's dark, really dark. That'd be the molasses and the tobacco. No burn. If you swallow it, you do get some burn. So maybe don't do that, like I've just done. What a wonderful flavour. You know Levi Garrett, that creamy back note that you get with Levi. This has got exactly the same, but it's that sweet, rich tobacco with it's like a nutty molasses that super juicy. It's like they've poured the a syrup into here. That's how sweet it is. It's super sweet. It's really quite nice. It's really good. Oh, oh, that question, is it better than Levi Garrett? It's so close. It's so close, it's ridiculous. I think Levi isn't quite as sweet, and it's just so original, that it's so unique, and the flavour's amazing. There is no raisin taste in this at all. It's just sweet, juicy tobacco. Oh, this has got to be a 9.5 out of 10. Oh, that's dark. That's really dark. That's so good. It's so good. Please do yourself a favour. Don't bother with any other chew at the moment. Just get yourself some of this lovely Stokers Butternut chewing tobacco. Quality, tradition and value. Oh, I love it. I'm going to do some shout outs while this just sits here. Well, my next video is going to be a pipe video. Well, I will be smoking some of this. Can you believe it? Ogden St Bruno Flake. The most popular flake of all. This packet is from 1960. So we're going to smoke, well, I'm going to smoke some tobacco that's 50 years old. Shout outs: Ian Dixon, Tim Lancaster, Rob Wintz, Mike Gregory, Jonathan Want, Ben Shippen, Aurelian Fwerk, Vincent Wackett, Ken Bruce, Jason Phillips. I know, Jason, you love a chew, don't you? Jason doesn't at all. Full review: Elliot McEwen, Cave Alaska 1, Shash Makto, and Socrates the cab driver. Thank you guys for all your messages. And honestly, this is a perfect chew. This is wonderful. If you put an order in just for that chew from thenortherner.com, you won't be getting a customs charge. If they package it like this, it's €12.24. It's well worth the money. I mean, I'd pay £20 for that, no problem. It's such a delicious chew. You should get yourself some. Guys, thanks very much for watching. And who knows what I'll be buying next from the Northerner. Now I can finally order from them again. Next video up, it will be the pipe video. Cheers guys, see you in a bit.